He smells the dog.
Go get it.
Don't.
Hey, no mark.
No, you'll mark it again. You're gonna go in your cage. Yeah. Hey.
What was that?
Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
Come on, we have to make money on America's Funniest Videos. Do something really good.
Here he goes. Let him go. Oh, good. Here we go. Tire him out. Tire him out. She was chasing. He stopped until she went around the other way. He was waiting for her to go around.
Oh, look, he goes all the way around the table now. His rear end can't stop when he stops.
You get them in movies?
Here you go.
Don't fall, Amanda.
I almost killed myself going around there.
He usually waits for her.
He's like, you gotta hold on, I'm out of breath. He stops and he lays down.
Stops and takes a breath.
Hey.
You know? Just like Nani used to do. Nani used to get out of breath.
You getting now fun?
A fun.
Hey, Pooper.